Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing keyboard settings, how to configure Gboard and how to install and activate new keyboard. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon, go to system, go to keyboard, set current keyboard. You can see current keyboard is Gboard. So let me go to second settings, Gboard settings, select it. So here we can change the language of the Gboard. Set languages. Right now it uses English. Select it. So here we can see the first option, use system languages. If you enable this option, TV will use the language of the system in the keyboard. So right now the language of the system is English, so we will see keyboard also in English language. If you want to add multiple languages to keyboard, first we have to disable this option. Then from this list we can select multiple languages. For now let me select Hindi. Okay, done. Then go back. So you can see now I have enabled two languages, English UK and Hindi. Let me test it. Go to home screen, then go to the search. So this is a keyboard. So here we can see language switch button. Select it. See, you can see keyboard language has changed to Hindi. So this way we can change keyboard language. We can add multiple languages to keyboard. Then using this keyboard language switch button, we can change the keyboard language. Okay, let me go back to keyboard settings. Again go to settings, system, keyboard. Okay, let me go to manage keyboards. Set it. Here we can see list of keyboards. LenKey Keyboard Pro. This is a keyboard which I installed from Play Store. You can search LenKey Keyboard in Play Store, then we can install it. First let me activate this LenKey keyboard. Okay, done. Then go back, go to current keyboard. Now in this current keyboard we can see two keyboards, LenKey Keyboard Pro and Gboard. Let me change keyboard from Gboard to LenKey keyboard. Done. Let me test it. Go to home screen, go to the search field. See, this is a new keyboard. So this way we can install new keyboard and activate it. So now we have learned how to change keyboard language and how to install and activate new keyboard. Okay, so please check it.